Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove categories in WordPress. So let's get started. However, if you don't have a free account, there is a link in the video description below to get started with a free account. First of all, you're going to have to log into your WordPress dashboard. From here, let's hover over posts and then select categories. After going to categories, I have already created two categories that I want to delete. So after hovering to your designated category, you can just press delete. And if you want to delete multiple categories at once, you're going to have to select them by ticking on the left side. And after you selected two categories or multiple if you want, then select bulk action from here and then click on delete and then click on apply. So as you can see, I have deleted two of my categories from here. So that is how you can delete single categories or multiple categories at once. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.